Akang, could you tell me why you visit Melabuh today?
Today I have an excellent opportunity to visit the Islamic Senior High School first in Melabuh, which is MAN 1 Melabuh, to do a special and a very crucial ceremony, the signing of Memorandum of Agreement, aiming to support, improve, and encourage the student at MAN 1 Melabuh for language learning. Yep.
Pardon? How many language you will offer to this institution?
The Language Development Center of Ar-Raniri offer the MAN 1 Melabuh 3 languages: English, Arabic, and Turkish.
Any other?
In short future, we're gonna have Japanese, and Mandarin.
Mandarin. Oh, Masya Allah. Ex-family, well done.